Hi, I'm Chef Mike and welcome to Lights, Camera, Cook. Today we're making a delicious lemon chicken in a garlic and herb butter sauce. It's easy and the kids will love it too. So let's get started. The recipe starts by zesting a lemon and reserving the juice. Next we're going to add our Osem couscous to the boiling water. We'll cover, reduce the heat to medium, and stir occasionally for 8 to 10 minutes until just done. In the meantime, we'll take the flat side of our mallet and pound our chicken thighs until they're 1/2 inch thick. We'll season with some salt and fresh cracked pepper. Now let's preheat our skillet over medium-high heat for 1 minute. Next we'll add our Lucini olive oil to the pan and swirl the coat well. Next we'll add our chicken thighs and we'll cook for about 2 minutes per side. After 2 minutes per side, we'll lower the heat to medium-low. Remove the pan from the heat, we'll add our Hogue Chardonnay to the pan. And lemon juice. We'll simmer the chicken for another couple of minutes to cook through, and we'll place on a clean plate and we'll set them aside to rest. To finish this great sauce, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our fresh market roasted garlic and herb butter. And we'll work it in with a whisk. Boy, it really smells delicious. Let's plate it up. We'll garnish with our lemon zest and fresh chopped parsley. Enjoy this great dish with a nice glass of the Hogue Chardonnay wine.